To do this trend, you need to have Face application. You can download this application from Play or App Store. After downloading, open this application. Now add your photo from gallery. Now click on hair color and choose blonde option. This is premium application, so if you want to unlock more options you have to get subscription. Now choose the opacity of the color according to you. Now save the photo. To remove watermark you have to take subscription. Now after this, click on the template link given below in the description. After clicking the link you will be directed to this page. Now click on Use Template in CapCut. Now click on Use Template and add your photos. First add the photo with blonde hair color and then the original photo. Now check your video and then export. Now after this, go back to New Project and add your exported video. Now delete the end part and then add the audio you want to add in it. If you want my audio, you can get it from link given below in the description. Now check your video and export.
With me? Yes.
Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.